Hello everyone. Today in this video we are going to discuss about how we can mutate our images path. So what is the meaning of this? For example, we have three images which are stored in the public slash images and then image. So we are our three images are stored in the public slash images. So we don't need to manually define their paths. So we can set the mutator path once and then it will be automatically applied on each images, so we don't need to manually define it three times. So we will define it only once and this will work with all of the images. If we have 50 or 100 images, so we don't need to mention their path. So let's take eye on this example. So I have a society image, so let me open the page resource where I'm getting this Laravel pg.jpg from the database. So here I don't want to mention their path every time, so I want to apply this using mutator. So how I can do this? So let's go to the project, and here we need to, I'm using this gallery model which is responsible for storing all of the images, and now I'm here to set the public path. So how I can do this? So let's define the public property here, and then I am naming this uploads, and here I'm setting my path. So my images are stored in this storage directory. So if in your case it's stored in the public directory, so you need to mention your own path. So here I'm going to first type storage, then slash societies. So my images are stored in the storage slash societies, and don't forget to add this slash after this folder name. Okay, I set this upload, and now I need to set the mutator. So you already know that how you can set the mutator. So public function set, not set, it's a get image. So why I'm mentioning this image? Because in my galleries table I named this image, this column name is image, that's why I'm mentioning this image here. So image attribute, and then you need to accept a parameter here. So I'm naming this image, and then here you need to return this, return this with the uploads, which you define it to here, and then I want to append this upload with this image, right? So now it will pull this uploads path and then append with the image whatever we are getting it from the database. So if I go to my project, so here if I give it a refresh, so it will pull the storage slash societies and then image path. So let's get refresh, wait for a moment to complete this process, and yes, now it's append this path storage slash society. So if I click on this image, so now it's opening this image, and if I go back here and give it a refresh, so this image is also going to work. And wait for a moment, so it's a little bit slower because we applied animation on it. Okay, yes, our image is loaded, and we don't need to mention the path of image. So every time when we call our image into the plate, we don't need to mention here path. So I have different images, like I have this image, so I am also not mentioning this image path. Why? Because this is auto set by mutator. So it's very helpful when you have a lot of images, so you don't need to worry about the images path. So that's it for this video. If you like this video, subscribe the YouTube channel and stay connected for more upcoming updates. I will meet you in the next one. Bye bye.